Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today I'm just here to correct some notion and explain some products that some of my customers are finding very difficult to practically understand and also to use. That's just the word. Okay, we got peau de reve. We have peau de reve serum. We have peau de reve concentrate. This is the concentrate, and we have the serum. Now the serum is different from this. It's more like a tonic. All right, it's not like this. This is a concentrate. Concentrate meaning this is actually meant for whitening. So if you're probably going to be mixing it into your creams, it helps in whitening. So you can actually replace this with the other serum if you actually want whitening, because that other one is meant to glow the skin. I'll try and look for the picture and I'll put it on the screen so you guys will see the peau de reve I'm talking about. That is meant for glowing. This is actually meant for whitening. So you can interchange them if you want. If you probably do not want glowing and you probably want whitening, you get this one. All right, peau de reve concentrate. Okay, so we've got 7 joules extra forte. All right, this is 7 joules extra forte. It's also a serum and it's really nice. It's also for whitening. All right, but you don't just use it like that. Most of you tend to take the serum. A customer of mine, she will take serums and she will use them directly on the body. No, these serums are concentrated. The same thing with this concentrate. They are concentrated and they are industrial products. I would not advise that. And then she was saying, oh, but body creams are also industrial. Yes, they are body creams, but hope you know they are emulsions. All right, so they've been put in check. Even the additives that have been added into it, they've been. Have you noticed that even if you have a whitening base cream, without adding some additives into that whitening base cream, it will not really give you what you want. Exactly. Those are emulsions, like emulsifying wax, stearic acid that have been used to formulate a cream. All right, and sometimes those things are a bit heavy for your skin to really come out with the color you want. So most times we use tubes, we use oils, we use serums to boost its effect. All right, so she said, oh, because those creams are industrial products, they are the same thing. Like, they are not. These are concentrated products. I already told you, serums are concentrated. They are they are more concentrated than oils. All right, so don't use serums directly on the body, except those serums are meant to treat probably anti-aging. They are meant to treat spots. Those are serums you use directly on the body. But if they are whitening, you don't use whitening serums directly on the body. The same way you don't add whitening oils on your body directly. You mix it with a cream. If you want it to be more potent, you get like 100 ml cream, then you pour it into it and mix it. But most times it's way better to get a measurement before you know what you're mixing. All right, so please 7 joules, it also does the work of it doesn't do the work of skin framing, but it does the work of skin freedom. All right, it does the work of skin freedom, it does the work of collagen extra forte. So it's really nice. All right, so yes, you can replace it with either collagen extra forte, you can replace it with skin freedom. We have the Nigerian bow oil and we have the original bow oil. All right, this is the Nigerian bow oil. It's way cheaper. It doesn't have a scratch panel. A scratch panel, knowing the original or not, it doesn't have a scratch panel. This is how it looks. They look practically the same, but you can only tell the original by the scratch panel. All right, so I'm trying to open it up so you know. This is the Nigerian bow oil. Okay, and this is the original bow oil. Now the original bow oil has a scratch panel by the side. You can see the scratch panel here, and the lid, when you want to close it up, it's not the same. You have to peel it out because it has its own barcode as well. It has a barcode. This one also has a barcode, but I think they don't use the same barcode exactly, and it shouldn't be that way, because if it's bow oil, it should have the same barcode. Right, so they are not the same barcode. You can actually know the original from the barcode and also from the scratch panel. So this is Nigerian and this is the original. Okay, you can tell the difference, right? Can't you see? One is actually way lighter than the other. The original is lighter than this. You can see it's totally different. They are not the same. Let me put it like so you see it. This is lighter than this, right? But I'm not saying that the original sorry, that the Nigerian made cannot be used. It can be used, right? It can be used because most times you find the Nigerian made in the market most of the time. So it can be used if you want to, but not the same. That's just all I'm telling you. So in case you probably want to know, oh, Mickey says there's bow oil, and the bow oil is this amount, it's so expensive. Why is a bow oil expensive? So now I just told you the difference. There is the original bow oil and there is the Nigerian made. And the original is a bit difficult to locate sometimes in the market. Very, very difficult. So in order to know the truth, as I said, you find the scratch panel. The barcode of the original is different from the Nigerian made. The barcode is very, very different. And apart from that, the original is lighter in texture than the Nigerian. Alright, so but I'm not saying you cannot use the Nigerian. They are not just going to give you the results you want. Alright, another one is also stretch mark feminine water. I need to correct that notion as well. Well, the reason why I have to correct that notion, now some people, when I say stretch mark feminine water or stretch mark feminine oil, this is what I mean. Alright, this is what I mean. Nothing else. It looks like water. Yes, it does. Most times people actually mix this into their body wash to use it, and it's not, some people like, okay, let me just use it directly. You can if you want to. All right, nobody's saying you cannot use it directly on you. You can use it directly on stretch mark if you want. We have stretch mark feminine water. We have stretch mark Chinese. Stretch mark Chinese is more like the reddish one. Okay, that one is after you use this, then you use that one. I don't have it here. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to find, and it works. It does work because it contains cucumber and stuff like that. It does work. Okay, so I'm just trying to correct the notion. Some of you are like, okay, it's water now, it's not oil. Am I supposed to mix it into my cream? No, this one most times we mix it into body wash because of its liquid. All right, and sometimes people actually mix it into their base if they want to mix it into the base. But there is something I need to let you know about anti-stretch mark properties. Someone who doesn't really have stretch marks, when you mix a cream that contains anti-stretch mark, most times it triggers the stretch marks to come. Okay, that is why most times in my cream I don't put anti-stretch mark properties. So I try as much as possible not to mix creams that will cause stretch mark for a particular customer. So most of these anti-stretch mark properties and ingredients that most people add into it, sometimes it triggers the product to cause stretch marks. Okay, so now this is beauty series. If you notice, I've used some part of it. Yes, it's actually a whitening oil and also a glowing oil at the same time. It's really, really nice, but should not be applied on the body directly. All right, some people are making that mistake. Like a customer of mine saying, she's applying it directly, she's seeing white dots. Don't apply this directly. If you use it into a cream, you will not notice white dots. It's not meant to be used directly on the body. I'm begging you, it's an industrial product, should not be used directly on the body. You mix it into your cream, but you should definitely have a measurement to go with it. You should know what and what you want to use it for. All right, so that's just all. I wanted to just correct some notion, and there are some other corrections I will still make that some of my customers are still bringing up to me about products outside, industrial products and the rest, and how they tend to make mistakes of the usage and stuff like that. So I'll let you guys know. And I love you guys like kilo day, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. Yes, so this is a new year, a new season, better days and better weeks and better years ahead. All right, the things we probably did not achieve last year, we're gonna achieve it this year, hopefully. Amen. All right, and Mickey loves you guys like kilo day. I've not forgotten about the book, because I've actually done all the I've typed it, I've done that, but I just gave it to the publisher, so we had to edit it by this January. Yes, I shouldn't specify on a particular week it will be out, but it will be out this January. Yes, it's gonna be out January. All right, so people were like, Mickey, no, go give us the book. Yes, and the people I promised to give the book as a gift, Christmas gift. I'm sorry, my Christmas gift is coming late, but it's better late than never, right? Yeah, so I will definitely give you. I'm actually done, so the book is not with me any longer. It's with the publisher, so it's going to be published. And I'll see you guys when it's published, so you guys will see it and say, yes, Monica has done it, or Mickey has done it. All right. So and I love you guys so much. For the ones that started with me from the beginning, like when I was nothing, like I had like 2 subscribers or no subscriber at all. The ones who actually started with me till now, where I'm actually getting to 22 or 23 subscribers, 23,000, sorry to say. I'm really, really grateful. It has not been easy. It has been a rocky ride, having criticism, having people who tend to, yes, corrections are actually meant to be made. It's having a diehard fan as well. I'm really, 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 really proud of my subscribers, and I love you guys like Kilode. Yes, some people are like, some of the gifts are not coming to us. Why? Don't be offended. Hope you know I actually rotated it. This set of people that got the gift my gift last 2 years, they didn't get last year. That is this year now that I'm going to be giving it out. They didn't get it. Alright, you don't have so many subscribers right now. You don't expect me to give every of my subscriber that gift. That would cost me a lot of money, and it would cost me some backwardness, and you guys don't want Mickey to go backwards. All right, so I'm trying as much as possible to give every of my subscriber, but maybe probably little, and in the end it might get to everybody. All right, so little will still get to everybody. So when the book is out, I will call out people that are definitely going to collect this gift this time around, and hopefully next year, who knows, or the end of this year, who knows, another one will come up. All right, and need I remind you, this month is my birthday, so you guys should be nice to me this month. Be nice. Don't mind me, I was just talking about the critics. All right, and I'll see you guys some other time. Bye guys.